This is how you'll be making $50 a day with this new website. You'll go from just $0 to $50 in the next 6 minutes if you watch till the end. Now, when I look for good quality money-making websites, I have 3 goals in mind: earning money, quick payouts, and ease of use. This is not a sponsored video. As presented, this website pays you for doing surveys, offers, and watching videos. You can earn more than $50 or more depending on how you use it. All you have to do is sign up either through your email, Google, or Facebook account. Once you sign up, confirm your email. From here, you'll be able to take hundreds of surveys that pay you an average of $5. Easy, right? In the past 24 hours, people have earned over $50. In the past 7 days, over $300. In the past 30 days, over $1,000. That shows you how fast you could really earn. If you prefer to earn through offers, they have many games and apps you can choose from to double your money. This is one of the fastest ways to earn. When you click on an offer, you'll see a list of requirements that pay for you to complete. This game pays you up to $415 to complete in only 30 days. You can install many of these through iPhone, Android, or PC. Offers are provided by the offer wall companies, meaning they're the ones who pay you to play games, use their apps, or watch videos. Surveys are provided by the survey partner companies, meaning they're the ones who pay you to take fun surveys to improve their products, business, or even their restaurants. You can also earn money by sleeping. What I mean is simply just go to the loot.tv offer wall. It'll take you to the site called Lootably. Click on the loot.tv offer, and this is where you earn money watching videos. Once you sign up, all you have to do is keep your device on overnight and allow the videos to play on their own. You'll wake up $10 richer with this method. To redeem a reward, you need at least 1,000 points. GrabPoints offers over 250 gift card options. I currently have 30,000 points, so I can redeem any gift card here for $30. After you redeem, it only takes 24 hours or less to receive your reward. Now, if you want the secret to earning even more, watch this.